Hello Lions! Today I'm going to show you how to use the full search on the library homepage. First step, go to the library homepage, scroll down, and you'll see a search box. There are 4 options. Today we're going to do full search. Full search is the library discovery tool. A discovery tool is a Google-like search area that allows you to search all of the library's subscribed material at one time. There is a guide on how to use it. If you click What is Full Search, this will give you more detailed information on how to use the guide. You can do a keyword, title, or author search. We're going to do a keyword search today. And I'm going to search for climate change. At the top, there'll be an entry from an encyclopedia if it's available that will also suggest other topics you can search for. At the right, there's a library chat if you need assistance, research and course guides that might talk about this subject, the library hours, any databases that focus on the subject, and the chance to fill out a survey about this tool. On the left, there are your filters. These will allow you to specify your research so you can get more specific. So if I scroll down, for example, I can choose to limit to full text. This will only show me things that I have immediate access to. If you have a couple days, I would recommend not clicking this, as you can use a service called Interlibrary Loan to request items from other libraries. If you're doing research, I recommend clicking scholarly or peer-reviewed. This will change our search results, so make sure that's what you want. You can also choose a publication date, so if you only want things in the last 5 years, for example. And then we can get more specific down below. So we can limit to our source type. We can choose a subject. You can even choose geography or a database. We're going to leave it as is for now. So you click on an article that you're interested in. Some will have an option to listen to the article to be read to you out loud. And you can read the full article online. You can also download the article PDF or save it to your cloud, also known as your OneDrive, connected to your MSSU email. You can save it to Google Drive, add to folder, email. You can cite for the information if you want it. You can export, and then if you want to send the link, you need to permalink and send this. For now, I'm going to click this little folder, and it's going to add it right here, and we'll come back to that. So I can see there is a lot of different results. Notice how climate change is bolded under the subjects. This item does not have the PDF full text, which means it is not available to me right now. This is something I would have to request through Interlibrary Loan. So you'll enter your name, your email address, enter a date, but be aware it takes 3 business days to fulfill minimum. And then other information is automatically filled in for you. You'll hit submit, and we'll get back to you with this as soon as we are able. What if you're wanting to do a more advanced search? Right here, this will allow you to search multiple things at once. So for example, if I want this to be my subject terms, climate change, I can choose to do and, or, and not. And will act as a plus sign, so we'll search for this and this, or we'll search for this or this term, and not will search for this term, but not this term. So one that might work for all three. Global warming. So I can choose to search subject terms, climate change, and global warming, or global warming, not global warming. This will make a difference in your search, so make sure you know which you'd like to do. I'm going to do or. So subjects like these are generally highlighted together, but some might only have one and not the other. Again, I can limit my results. And I'm going to choose to add this one and this one to my folder. So now at the top, I have these articles saved. So now I can email these to myself, and I can choose my citation format. So if I'm using APA, for example, but I can also save these for the future by signing in. So here you can either sign in with a Google account, or you can create a new EBSCO account and use that one in the future. I'm going to sign in with Google. So now I can add these to folders that I've made and save them for future use. I can still email or export these anywhere I need to. And this is how I move them to the folders or copy them. And I can also delete them if I don't want them anymore. This folder should still have all the materials you save into it as long as you're at Missouri Southern. And that's our full search. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We're always here to help you. Have a great day.